everyone and welcome to the first video of circles. First, to introduce you with the chapter, I will define few definitions. Center. It is the midpoint of a circle. Midpoint of the circle means a point from where when you draw any line segment till the circumference, all this should be equal. That is the midpoint. Chord. A line segment whose endpoints lie on the circle. So basically green color is a chord. Why? Because both the endpoints are lying on the circle. Next is the diameter. We can say that the diameter is a line segment which passes through the center or the midpoint of the circle and meets the circumference at 2 points. So that means, can I also say diameter is the longest chord of the circle? Yeah, largest chord of the circle. Radii. A line segment connecting the center of a circle to any point on the circle itself. From center, if you draw any line segment till the circumference is known as the radii. Now, what is a secant? Now, secant is a straight line. See, it is extending on both sides. It is straight line cutting the circle at two different points. Right? So you can say, I can also say secant is extending, if you extend the chord on both sides, we will say that we get a secant. Now what is a tangent? A coplanar straight line touching the circle at a single point. There is a line, if any line touches the circle at one point, that line is said to be a tangent. Okay, so these are the definitions. Now let's study the first theorem. Basically in this chapter only two theorems are there. So let's study the first theorem. The first theorem says the tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. Now this is known as the point of contact. Again नाम ही suggest करता है point of contact means जिसपे circle और tangent आके meet कर जाते हैं. That is point of contact. तो हमें prove करना है कि ये जो OA है ये perpendicular है. Tangent is perpendicular to the radius at the point of contact. So let's see how we'll prove that. If you see clearly, OA and OC, this is point C. OA and OC are same, right? Because दोनों ही radius है. Right? I can also say plural of radius is radii. If you can see from the figure, I can say OB जो है वो OC plus BC करके बना है. इसका मतलब यही हुआ कि जो BC है वो बड़ा है OC के, और हमने अभी आपको बताया पहले स्टेप में कि OA और OC सेम है, तो इसका मतलब OB जो है वो OA से भी बड़ा हो गया. OB is greater than OA also. So can I say OA is the shorter side? अगर मैं तीनों साइड्स कंसिडर करूँ तो OA सबसे छोटी साइड हो गई, और क्योंकि वो सबसे छोटी साइड हो गई, फ्रॉम अ पॉइंट, shortest distance of a point from a given line. You remember this theorem which you have studied in class 9. Shortest distance of a point from a given line is perpendicular distance from that line. क्योंकि ये OA shortest distance है from point O, so can I say जो OA है वो perpendicular होगी. Hence it proves the theorem that line passing from the center to the point of contact is perpendicular to the chord. So this is our theorem number 1. Let's do the exercise 10.1. It's a very simple exercise. How many tangents can a circle have? Again, अगर मैं एक circle बनाऊं तो हर सर्कल पे इनफाइनाइट पॉइंट होते हैं, और हर पॉइंट पे एक एक टैंजेंट बन सकता है, राइट? सो दैट मीन्स अ सर्कल कैन हैव इनफाइनाइट टैंजेंट. सो आंसर टू दिस इज इनफाइनाइट, राइट? अ सर्कल. नेक्स्ट, अ टैंजेंट टू अ सर्कल इंटरसेक्ट इट इन डैश पॉइंट या पॉइंट्स इन वन पॉइंट. आपको पता है जो टैंजेंट है वो सिर्फ तभी टैंजेंट माना जाता है जब वो सर्कल को एक सिंगल पॉइंट ऑफ कॉन्टैक्ट पे टच करता है. अ लाइन इंटरसेक्टिंग अ सर्कल in 2 points is called a line. Line means जो extension है, extended version is known as a secant, right? A circle can have, अगर मुझे parallel tangent बनाने तो obviously parallel tangent एक tangent के दूसरा ही tangent parallel बनेगा, right children? So there can be a circle can have 2 parallel tangents at the most, right? Next, the common point of a circle to the common point of a tangent to a circle and the circle is called, आपको पता ही है, point of contact. Now let's do question number 3. Suppose a tangent PQ. Okay, there's a circle and there is a tangent PQ at P. At P, a tangent PQ at P of a circle of radius 5 centimeter. Circle का जो radius है वो कितना given है बेटा? 5 centimeter. So this is OP is 5 centimeter. Meets a line through the center O at a point Q so that OQ is 12 centimeter. We have to find the length. So you know angle OPQ equals to 90 degree, again using theorem 1. Radius is perpendicular to the tangent at point of contact. So can I say, children, using Pythagoras, hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. और मुझे यहाँ पे बच्चे बहुत गलती करते हैं, तो आपको याद रखना है 90 डिग्री के ऑपोजिट जो साइड होती है उसको हाइपोटेनस बोलते हैं. यानी कि OQ square is equal to base and perpendicular will not matter. You can take anything, any side, anything. So 12 square equals to 5 square plus PQ square. Again, a little time saving techniques. A square minus B square. चेक करो चिल्ड्रन, इसमें आइडेंटिटी लग सकती है. 12 minus 5 into 12 plus 5 under root, right? So it is under root of 12 में से 5 आप subtract कर दो, right? तो 7 आ जाएगा into आप 70 equals to PQ. So you can see, and obviously unit, so you will get your answer as D, under root of 119 centimeter. Let's have a look at question number 4. Again, draw a circle, draw two lines parallel to a given line. Okay, draw any given line. Suppose this line is P, such that one is a tangent. तो एक parallel line tangent है, so इसको मैंने Q ले लिया, and the other is a secant, तो इसको आपने R ले लिया. तो P is parallel to Q and P is also parallel to R. So obviously you know that R and Q will also be parallel. So just use your scale and a compass, okay children, to draw this. Secant is a line which intersects the circumference of the circle at 2 points, and tangent जो सिर्फ circle को touch करता है single point पे. Okay. Let's talk about question number 7. Again, from a point Q, the length of tangent from a point Q, the length of tangent to a circle is 24, and the distance of Q from the center is 25. Find the radii. So let's take this as P. Again, same logic. OP is perpendicular to PQ. Again, you know theorem 1. Please write down the statement. And again, using Pythagoras, क्योंकि वो 90 डिग्री एंगल आ गया, दो साइड गिवन है, तो ट्रिग्नोमेट्री का लॉजिक लग जाएगा थोड़ा सा, राइट? पाइथागोरस थ्योरम का जो हमने ट्रिग्नोमेट्री चैप्टर में भी सीखा था. तो अगेन याद रखना है 90 के ऑपोजिट वाली हाइपोटेनस स्क्वायर होती है बेस स्क्वायर प्लस परपेंडिकुलर स्क्वायर. सो 25 का स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 24 का स्क्वायर प्लस OP स्क्वायर. अगेन कैलकुलेशन करने की बेटा ज़रूरत नहीं है, मैंने आपको बताया, आप अपना टाइम थोड़ा सा सेव कर सकते हो यूजिंग ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक जो आपकी एल्जेब्रिक आइडेंटिटी होती है. A स्क्वायर माइनस B स्क्वायर इज A माइनस B, A प्लस B एंड अंडर रूट ऑब्वियसली. सो दिस इज 1 और ये 49. So यानी कि आंसर क्या आ गया 7. So you know A part is your answer. Similarly, if you have to do the second part, again logic same. ये 90 होगा, ये 90 होगा, right? Radius is perpendicular to the tangent at point of contact. और ये sum, आपको पता है sum of a quadrilateral, sum angle property of a quadrilateral is 360. तो आपका ये angle आ जाएगा. This is how. Similarly, अगर question number 3 करना है तो if two tangents PA and पी बी, तो इस एक से बन रहे हैं, तो अगेन पी ए पी बी कॉमन पॉइंट, टैंजेंट है, इंक्लाइन टू ईच अदर. ओके, if PA and PB from a point P to a circle with center O are inclined to each other at an angle of 80 degree, find angle POA. The logic is again very simple. Check here children. These two triangles will always be congruent. Why? Check करो. ये आपके साइड कॉमन है, ये दोनों रेडियाई है, और ये 90 डिग्री है, ये 90 डिग्री है. तो RHS से कॉन्ग्रुएंसी हो गई, क्योंकि कॉन्ग्रुएंट है ट्राइंगल्स, तो ये दोनों जो है वो 40 ईच हो गए. अब ये 40 है, ये 90 है थ्योरम नंबर 1 से, तो ये एंगल जो है वो आ जाएगा POA. अगेन सम एंगल प्रॉपर्टी, राइट चिल्ड्रन. 180 में से आप सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दोगे 40 प्लस 90, दैट विल गिव यू योर थर्ड आंसर. Now, when we talk about question number 4, prove that the tangents drawn at the end point of the diameter, this is the diameter, end point of the diameter are parallel. Again, very simple logic. ये diameter है, यानी कि center PA. So आपको पता है, this consider this as one angle, this as two angles. So angle 1 is 90 degree. Again theorem 1, radius is perpendicular to the tangent at the point of contact. Angle 2 is also 90 degree. Again theorem 1, radius is perpendicular to the point of contact. Now when alternate, you know the logic, when these are alternate interior angles children. When alternate interior angles are equal, lines are parallel. So if we consider this as any line PQ and this as AB, so PQ is parallel to AB. This is how we will do question number 4. Similarly, if you want to do question number 5, prove that the perpendicular at the point of contact suppose this is O, this is P, and again let's take some point Q. Prove that perpendicular at the point, this is perpendicular at the point of contact to the tangent to a circle passes through the center. तो हमें ये प्रूव करना है कि ये सेंटर है. तो सपोज करिए, ये हमें ऑलरेडी लॉजिक पता है, this logic we are already aware of, that OP is perpendicular to PQ, right? So angle OPQ is 90 degree, right children? So suppose करिए ये जो line है, ये suppose मैं कुछ और point O dash ले लेती हूँ and मैं बोलती हूँ O dash center है. Let's assume, let O dash be the center. So can I also say angle O dash PQ is equal to 90 degree using theorem 1? Right children, radius is perpendicular to the tangent, क्योंकि मैंने O dash को center मान लिया और O मेरा, O तो मुझे चीज़ already given थी. Right children? So can't I say that angle OPQ is equal to angle O dash PQ is equal to 90 degree? And this is only possible if O dash and O are same points, right? क्योंकि एक पॉइंट से एक ही परपेंडिकुलर लाइन बन सकती है टू अ गिवन लाइन. सो हेंस O is the center. This is how you will do question number 5. Similarly, if you talk about question number 6, it is also not that difficult. Same, the length of tangent from a point A at a distance of 5 centimeter from the center of a circle is 4 centimeter. Find the radii. Again, you know the logic. This is perpendicular. Using theorem 1, you will use Pythagoras and find this. Calculation simple करने का तरीका already बता ही चुकी हूँ. A square minus B square का formula लगा देना है, right? So I want you to do it on your own. Question number 7 also. टू कॉन्सेंट्रिक सर्कल्स. कॉन्सेंट्रिक सर्कल्स क्या होते हैं? ऐसे सर्कल्स जिनका सेंटर जो है वो कॉमन होता है. ऑफ रेडियाई, ऑब्वियसली बेटा एक का रेडियाई 5 है और बड़े वाले का ही 5 होगा और छोटे वाले का रेडियाई 3 सेंटीमीटर होगा. एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड द लेंथ ऑफ कॉर्ड. सपोज करो ये C है, आपको पता है अगेन यूजिंग थ्योरम 1 OC इज परपेंडिकुलर टू AB. अगेन आपका AC आ जाएगा अंडर रूट ऑफ 5 का स्क्वायर माइनस 3 का स्क्वायर, राइट चिल्ड्रन? So again it will be, you can do it directly also, 25 minus 9, that is root 16, which is 4 centimeter, right? Now you know this theorem you have already done in class 9. AC is equal to BC is equal to 4 centimeter. A line which is perpendicular to the chord, a line joining the center which is perpendicular to the chord bisects the chord. So I can say that AB is 4 plus 4, that is 8 centimeter. Units are very, very important, children. So this is your first exercise of circles based on the first theorem, first and second exercise. We will go on to the next remaining questions, which is based on theorem 2, so which I will discuss in the next video. If you still have any doubt, kindly leave in the comments below and I'll get back to you. Thank you.